Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Malware can be used to corrupt data stored on a computer. Tick one box to show which cybersecurity threat is not a type of malware. So malware is inside the computer. Now let's see here. Ransomware, that is inside the computer. Virus is inside the computer. Where is inside the computer? But phishing is done by a human. So a human will send you a fake email. This is not a type of malware. So we simply write a tick here. Identify one other example of malware than those given in part 1A. We can write Trojan horse. We can write keylogger. We can even write spyware. Spyware. Identify the type of software that is used to remove malware from a computer. So the opposite of malware is anti-malware. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.